Every morning starts the same. Too many emails, too many meetings, too many messages. Where do you even start? ClawBox deal with that better than anyone. Let me show you how. First, take this link on the screen. It's going to be also in description too. Paste it in Google and create an email app password. Before that, for Gmail, enable 2FA, then create an app password. Use that password for ClawBox, not your normal Gmail password. Make sure you copy it and save it on safe place. After that, open Gmail, go and click Settings, see All Settings. After that, click Forwarding and POP/IMAP and enable POP for all mail. After that, go to ClawBox and type your email, password, and IMAP server. Some seconds later, ClawBox is already in your Gmail and give you information about your inbox. Here I am giving you example for how you can use it. I tell him to summarize my last 3 emails and give me info about which one needs a reply today. For more tutorials, like and subscribe.